coming to the part of business ethics, here where you can expect 20 marks out of 20 pages. So it's one of the easy area in the whole subject. You have just 20 pages to read, almost like every page carries 1 mark. Here you are having many concepts, like you have so many theories, and you have to also remember this corporate social responsibility portion in that, and that is the business responsibility as such. Okay, coming to the theories, you have theories like deontological theory and teleological theory. See, deontological theory, just imagine the concept of karma, which is a Sanskrit word karma, that is nothing but your doing should be correct. That is a deontological theory. Anything you do, every doing should be correct. That is based on karma. Then you have teleological theory. The concept is your result should be good. That is, you do anything but ensure your result is good. That is what we call as teleological theory. So these are all very important theories, and you have truth relativism. So you should know all these theories, and remember, don't miss out any word in this area because it is very, very, very important. Okay, coming to this dilemma, there is a thing of ethical dilemma or ethical paradox, which is a very repeated question in exam. Like there is a classic example, say as a company secretary of the company, you know that annual return has to be filed within 60 days of annual general meeting, but it may so happen that you don't have a person to sign on that particular day, because you have actually rushed only on the 60th day. So how to deal such situation? You cannot tell the management also anything, because even they will be busy with so many other works. They may have lots of other works than signing a mere annual return, but if they are not signing, automatically it is a violation and you may get a show cause notice next day, and again you are responsible because it is your show, you have missed it. So how to deal with that situation? They may fire you also if you are told in advance, but how to deal with that situation? That is when the ethical dilemma, that is a very important question. And you also have a concept of corporate social responsibility. MCA also has come out with the guidelines, and even DP, that is Department of Public Enterprise, also has come out with the guidelines on this corporate social responsibility. So you have to ensure you comply with that guidelines, and you have also a reporting format like MCA has prescribed form CSR under mca.gov.in, where which you have to file this form if you are complied with this corporate social responsibility guidelines. So it is a step ahead of corporate governance, where which your business. See, remember, corporate social responsibility is more than donations. What are the activities you do for the society in which you are living in? That's when this corporate CSR comes into play. Make sure you remember the whole name of the MCA guidelines and the DP guidelines also along with the year, and quote it as many places as possible where so you are asked a question on this CSR.